Good morning, students. In this video, let me help you understand the short answer questions of lesson number 3, that is animals and their young ones. First question is define reproduction. Reproduction means to produce new individuals, and these are produced from their parents. So the process by which living individuals form babies of their own type so that they can increase in number is called reproduction. So, what is the definition of reproduction? The process by which living beings produce more of their own kinds to continue their own race is called reproduction. Second question is, what are the different ways in which animals reproduce? There are two ways in which animals reproduce. First is by laying eggs, and such animals which lay eggs are known as oviparous. And the second method is by giving birth to babies or young ones. And such animals are called mammals or viviparous. Egg-laying animals are birds, fish, etc. And the animals that give birth to babies are dogs, cats, and even humans. So finally, there are two methods. One is by laying eggs, and the second is by giving birth to young ones. Third question is, what is incubation? As we have already discussed in keywords, incubation means giving warmth to eggs. Why warmth is necessary? So that the baby inside the egg can grow and breaking of egg or hatching can take place and a baby can come out. So what is incubation? The process of keeping eggs warm, often done by parent birds by sitting on them until they hatch into young ones. Question number 4 is, what is metamorphosis? This also we have discussed in keywords. Let's revise it again. It is basically transformation, that is, change of one form to another. In this transformation, a young one or a baby changes into an adult or a fully grown individual. This adult looks completely different from a young one. For example, see how a tadpole looks and how it looks different from a grown-up frog. There are two pictures in front of you. After looking at the tadpole, nobody can say that it is baby of a frog. So what is metamorphosis? The process of transformation of a young one into an adult that looks completely different. And the example is tadpole changes into an adult frog. Last question is, how do mammals take care of their young ones? Mammals take care of their babies or young ones in a number of ways. First is, they keep their babies clean and warm. How they keep their babies clean? Most of mammals lick their babies just after birth to clean them. Have you ever seen a kangaroo? If not live, then you must have seen it on television. Kangaroo is an animal which keeps its babies in a small pouch. This pouch is present on outside of belly of a mother kangaroo. The babies get warmth by remaining in their mother's pouch. So in this way, some animals keep their babies warm. Second is, they feed their babies and protect them from enemies. Animals like dogs and cats feed their babies by giving them their own milk. Not only this, they also protect their babies. Few days back near my house, a female dog has given birth to few dogs, and what I have observed is when one of the parent is away to get food, the other one stays near the babies. Why so? To protect them. So animals also protect their babies. Third point is they take care of their young ones for a long time. Best example of this statement is man. We humans are dependent on our parents and they too take care of us for a pretty long time. In animals also, parents take care of their young ones till they can themselves fly or hunt their food. For example, birds, lion, etc. Birds take care of their babies in the nest for a long time, and lions also take their babies along with them while hunting food. So, in this way, they remain with their parents for a long time. So, how do mammals take care of their young ones? There are three ways. First is they keep their babies clean and warm. Second, they feed their babies and protect them from animals. And the third one is they take care of their young ones for a long time. Thank you. We hope that now you all have understood the keywords and short answer questions of the lesson. We are not sending you the explanatory video of back exercise as they are quite simple and easy to understand with the help of video of lessons already uploaded. Thank you.